Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today we've been doing some work on the 68 Camaro Street Machine group build, which seems to be the regular thing lately. But I'm going to take a break from this for a few because, well, we got another car show to go to. So this one's hosted by our good friend that everybody knows here, Hot Wheels TV, Mr. Mike Zarnock. He lives local to me here in central New York, and he hosts this charity car show every year for his granddaughter's cheerleading crew and team, school, organization. And from what I've seen in the past, this is the third year. They have a very, very successful show. Lots of money raised for the girls and their cheerleading efforts and their projects that are coming up so they can have their uniforms and everything else that they need. So, yeah, so hang tight. I'm going to put this stuff away. I'll meet you over there at the car show.